And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to recreate the Lark filter in Adobe Photoshop. It's a quick adjustment. We only need the curves adjustment layer, and I've got this original image. You will find that via the description link below. Make sure you're on the RGB channel, and you want to add a point around 25%, then drag it downwards, and depending on the photo that you've got, you want to adjust it a little bit more to the left and up and down. Go to 75% and then move it upwards, and once again, depending on the photo that you use, drag it a little bit to the right, up or down, and the endpoint, it needs to be a little bit lower. That was too much for me, so let me readjust that. So the curve should look like this, and then you go to the green channel, go to the left hand side and drag it a little bit upwards. So the endpoint needs to be higher. At around 50% you need another point, but don't adjust it too much, and then go to the area at around 80 to 90%, drag it upwards. And again, the endpoint, lower it a little bit. I guess this was a little bit too much. Let me readjust it. And that's a fine result. Let us compare to the original, and you can see what this little adjustment has done. So just look at the curves and try to recreate the shapes, and then readjust it depending on the photo that you've got. And with these two little adjustments on the RGB and the green channel, you can recreate this Lark filter quickly. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.